freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let us salute our nation on this Independence Day. Respected principal, our lovely coordinator, our teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Suryansh Pandey, on behalf of Grade 3, welcome all of you. We are here with a special assembly on Independence Day. But before we start our day, let us all remember our Almighty God to invoke His blessings. I call upon Yahya to lead us in prayer.
In the name of Almighty, the most beneficent, the most merciful, all praises and thanks are to you, the Lord of the universe, the most beneficent, the most merciful. You alone we worship, you alone we ask for help. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those on whom you bestowed your grace, and not the path of those who earned your anger, and not those that went astray.
Thank you, Yahya, to lead us in prayer. Let us awaken the feeling of patriotism among us by saying the pledge. I call upon Hamdan for the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and all elders, to treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and all my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Hamdan, for the pledge. Nothing is more precious than independence and liberty. Here is Aisha Tahani with the essence of the day.
Good morning, everyone. I am Aisha Tahani from Grade 3. I am going to share the essence of the day. Importance of Independence Day. India got Independence Day on the 15th of August 1947 after struggling for 20 years for freedom. India got independence. Everyone remembers the sacrifice of martyrs on this Independence Day. Various cultural events take place to celebrate Independence Day. On this day, the Prime Minister hoists the flag in Red Fort. Chief Minister of that particular state will hoist the flag. Thank you.
Thank you, Tahani, for sharing the essence of the day. Our flag doesn't fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. Here is Hana Khan to sing a patriotic song.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, तब से सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है। भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। उजड़े नहीं अपना चमन, टूटे नहीं अपना वतन, गुमराह ना कर दे कोई, बर्बाद ना कर दे कोई। मंदिर यहाँ, मस्जिद यहाँ, हिंदू यहाँ, मुस्लिम यहाँ, मिलते रहे हम प्यार से। जागो हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है, हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है।
Thank you, Hannah, for the patriotic song. Here are our friends with a small heart-touching skit.
I am so bored looking at all these crises in India. All channels having the same stuff. Why should I bother about what is going around the nation? I am happy with my life. Nothing great about this day other than being a holiday. So sleepy now. Time for a nap. Gandhi and known for facilitating independence for our motherland by the means of non-violent France Satyagraha. But I do not find anyone following my footsteps. The money with my photos are used for illegal purposes. Is this the only grandness I have left behind?
Sacrifices have been immortal in the minds of people. But the thing which you're doing, is it worth it for even a second thought?
I am Subhash Chandra Bose. I was the president of Indian National Congress. I used to preach, "Tum mujhe khoon do, main tumhe azadi dunga." My soul weeps when I saw my people heartlessly ambush and kill each other.
Very early age. Though my contributions towards my motherland is less, I have spent my life in Europe. I never fail to remember my country's culture. But now I can see how people willingly give up their own culture and trying to adapt others' refinement.
Brought up in England. When I came to India, the love amongst the people towards the nation awaked my soul. If such feeling can awake my soul, why doesn't it make a difference to you?
I am Sarojini Naidu. I have spent my life guiding people and supporting humanity. I was always with Gandhiji in all his affairs. People often call me as India's Nightingale. But will this name give me peace when I see our citizens abusing each other?
Prasad Biswal is my name. I am known for my revolution course of action, which I choose to win over the British. I gave my life for my motherland. It was a painful death, but what is really agonizing that people don't value our abolition.
My name is Bhagat Singh. You've always seen me in a moustache and turban. When I was 10 years old, I had begun to dream about free India. But the India which I see now, is it the same India which me and my friends sacrificed life for? I see people being selfish and hurting others. Wasn't it hurting me when I was hanged? But that pain is nothing in front of the pain which now my countrymen are giving me.
At the Queen of Jhansi, I was so devoted to the freedom of our country that I went to the extent that I tied my baby to my chest and fought with the invaders for the freedom of our country. But now, our own people are following the steps of British. Is this the reason I gambled my life for?
Yes, Maulana Azad. The nation gave me the status of a master. I became the first minister of education in the Indian government. However, now I feel that I was unable to implant core values to our citizens as they seem to be digressed.
The freedom fighters served the countrymen with no personal desire and gave up their life to attain freedom. Today, we are living peaceful lives only because of the sheer hard work and sacrifice done by these legends. But I was so bogus to have some ridiculous thought about the situation which our country is facing at present. I have realized my mistake and let me start with some good deed. Let me clean my surroundings and help the country.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है।
Such a wonderful video, isn't it, students? Students, you all are aware of the freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for our freedom years back, isn't it? And today, the people who are gambling their life for our sake are the COVID warriors. You know about them, right? Now, it's time for a very special tribute to our COVID warriors who are relentlessly working to serve our nation. A short video dedicated to them to thank them for keeping us safe.
देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए। सिलसिला ये बाद मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मेरी नस नस तार कर दो और बना दो एक सितार। राग भारत मुझ पे छेड़ो, झंझनाओ बार बार। देश से ये प्रेम आँखों से छलकना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। शत्रु से कह दो जरा, सीमा में रहना सीख ले। ये मेरा भारत अमर है, सत्य कहना सीख ले। भक्ति की इस शक्ति को बढ़कर दिखाना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। सौगंध भारत, भारत है मुझे, भूलूं ना एक क्षण तुझे। रक्त की हर बूंद तेरी है, तेरा अर्पण तुझे। युद्ध ये सम्मान का है, मान रखना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, भारत ये रहना चाहिए।
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी, फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए। जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें, हम घर की राहें भूल गए। हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से, जाने वतन सौ चांद बुझे। हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी, जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू, तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा। इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। मजबूर हुई जब दिल की दुआ, तो हमने दवा से काम लिया। वो नब्ज नहीं फिर थमने दी, जिस नब्ज को हमने थाम लिया। बीमार है जो किस धर्म का है, हमसे न कभी यह भेद हुआ। सरहद पे जो वर्दी खाकी थी, अब उसका रंग सफेद हुआ।
जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Now, our lovely principal has few words for you all.
Freedom is hard to get, but we are blessed to have it. Let's appreciate everything we have and celebrate the great miracle of freedom. Good morning, one and all. Every year for Independence Day, we have a gathering in school. Today, again, the great day of celebration has come, the 74th Independence Day of our beloved country, India. I know that this pandemic has distanced us from each other. But what matters is the spirit of freedom, our love for the land and the responsibility as a citizen of India. My happiness today is actually double. The spirit of patriotism is always there. The other reason is to see my lovely students showcase their patriotic spirit by their performance and beautiful assembly. Without teachers training them personally, only a few guidelines from the teachers, our students practice by themselves to give their best. Truly, I am overwhelmed to say that the hard work done by the teachers over the students to inculcate in them the values and the spirit of patriotism is very fruitful. We all know this freedom is hard earned. There are decades of sacrifices and struggles behind this. The land on which we breathe upon is thankful to the struggles of our great men in the lead of well-known figures. Today is a historic day. This day reminds us of our true worth and value as a nation. On this day, we have to make our commitments to serve our countrymen. There are a lot of challenges and hardships still in our way. Our independence needs more sacrifices and struggles to fulfill the dream of a powerful and popular India. Dear all, let's make commitments afresh. Let's unite and work hard. Let's forget the differences of color, creed and caste and stand for the broader aims of progress, prosperity, peace and justice throughout our land. Before ending, I would like to thank my super enthusiastic team of teachers for their effort to make this celebration a special one, and my lovely talented students who have taken the initiative to come up with such a marvelous virtual program during this pandemic, which has raised the feeling of patriotism in our hearts. As said by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, freedom of mind is the real freedom. A person whose mind is not free, though he may be not in chain, is a slave, not a free man. So let the freedom of thought and action be there for the country to prosper. Happy Independence Day. Stay safe. Thank you.
Today, in the morning around 8:30, there was a flag hoist in our school. So I'll quickly show you the video, children. Here are our principal and all the chairmen and other staff all saluting to the flag.
Many feelings may come and go, but that feeling when we hear a national anthem that raises our goosebumps. It's irreplaceably magical. Please raise for the national anthem. School attention. School fraternity. School attention. National anthem and instrumental begins.
Down